Welcome to this lecture on biology and health welfare. What we're going to cover in this lecture is health, common diseases in humans. First, we will see what is health. Health is nothing but the not only absence of disease but also physical, mental, and social well being in humans or any organism. Then, the immune system play good part to provide immunity to fight against these pathogens, or we can say disease causing organisms. Health. The health is affected by the genetic disorder which pass from parent to its progeny, or we can specifically say offspring. Certain chromosomal disorder I want to tell you is Turner syndrome, Klinefelter disorder, etc. Then it also affected by certain infection which is caused by the virus, bacteria, fungus, protozoa, etc. The lifestyle, what we eat, what we drink, or the exercise routine, yoga routine play important role maintaining the good health. Then the good health will be maintained by the balanced diet, which is the appropriate proportion of the micro or macronutrient, amino acid, vitamins, carbs, and the lipids and proteins, etc. When we take all these in proper proportion, we can maintain our diet to maintain good health. Then the personal hygiene. If we not keep our hygiene clean, or we do not clean our body properly, it will invite certain diseases in our life. Then the regular exercise. The physical activity is also play crucial role in maintaining good health. Vaccination. What is vaccination? When we inject certain dead or partially dead organisms in our body so that our body recognize them and fight against them by producing antibody. Then the proper disposal of waste. This is very crucial because if we not dispose waste properly, then it will take the vector to spread the diseases from one person to another. This is known as transmission of disease. As you can see in this picture, the stool is on the road and vector which is flies sitting on this stool, which causes several pathogens or microorganisms to stick on its body. Now, this vector flies over this burger, which carrying several microorganisms, which infect this burger, and this infected burger eaten by this human being. So now, what this flies is doing? It act as a vector. It transferring pathogen from one place to the its host. Host is nothing but the human in this case. Okay. Now you can see over here mosquito come and bite the person. This mosquito carrying some pathogens inside its body which is not harmful to this vector but harmful to us. Now this person is get infected and another mosquito will come and bite that person. Now this person is infected while biting the second mosquito to the infected person. There is a chance of sucking in that pathogen as well, which reside into the RBC of the patient. Now the pathogen is inside the second mosquito and this second mosquito go and bite to another person and it will lead to the cause infection in that person. This is how this mosquito also act as a vector for the transmission of diseases from one person to another. Now the disease. Disease is when pathogen or disease causing organism reside into our body or on our body to hinder the vital activities performing in our body. This will lead to the disease. This pathogen might be bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoan or helminth. So these diseases of two types. First one is infectious, where the disease is passed on to person 1 to person 2 is known as infectious disease. For example, AIDS. By AIDS, in AIDS, what happens is certain object used by AIDS patient, that is towel, clothes, when the second person use the same objects which is used by the patient, it is the chance of transferring HIV from this person 1, which is a patient, to patient, sorry, person 2. This will lead to the AIDS in second person as well. Also, the infected injection play